Do you want to grow on SoundCloud? If your answer is yes, listen to me. You need to be using this tool. It's the one tool that I consistently use all the time. And I've also introduced a lot of big artists, producers, and clients to this tool, and they've all experienced great results just like myself. Sorry guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while. I actually got signed to a big booking agency and I've been traveling and touring and playing. And a lot of that comes from the strategies that I've been teaching you guys on this channel. So stick around and I'm going to show you one of the strategies that I always use. Every single week I'm logging in and checking my stats. So this video is going to be about an AI tool that I use to grow my SoundCloud followers. Now, if you have not watched my previous video on this tool, it's going to be right here. But basically that tool is called Artist Management, and they have created an AI that follows and unfollows active users on SoundCloud. Now, what happens when you follow someone on SoundCloud is that they see the notification and then they click on the notification, then they see that you follow them, they'll go to your profile, they'll start checking out your content, listening to your music, and then the chances of them following you back is very high. And as a result, I've gained so many followers. Like, it took me from literally 1,500 followers on SoundCloud all the way to over 7,000 followers in about a year. All right guys, so I want to take you through the artist management platform. I want to really focus this video on the new features. I already have a video on like a brief overview. Check out my old video on that. But for this video, I want to show you the new features. Again, it's artistmgmt.org, and let's go to the dashboard. So they added a bunch of cool new features, and basically those are the automatic scheduling follow, the unfollow wasted follows, the wasted follows right here, and also the follower count. Now I'm going to go into each of those with you guys and actually tell you what they mean. What is a wasted follow? A wasted follow is basically an account that you manually follow yourself. So you're on SoundCloud, you're browsing around, you see someone and you decide to follow them yourself. Now, all the people that you followed yourself that don't follow you back shows up in the wasted follow. So what you can do here is you can go through each of these accounts, and if you want, you can literally unfollow them. So for example, let's say Deep House Athens. Literally all I did was click it, it brought me to their profile, and I can decide to either keep following them or unfollow them. Now, if you're doing this strategy manually, where you're following and unfollowing people, then this is a really useful feature. So that's what a wasted follow is. So they have a switch that allows you to automatically unfollow the wasted follows. So you don't have to go and manually unfollow them yourself. You can, but you have the option to have artist management do the unfollowing for you. So if I switch this on, artist management will automatically start unfollowing accounts from this list every day. I believe it unfollows 40 accounts per day until it reaches 0. So that's a really cool new feature that allows you to automate the unfollowers. Now, another cool feature is the automated scheduling. Basically, the way I've always done it and up until this point is I would manually go over to SoundCloud. I would go to a page, I would copy the URL, I'll come over here, and then I'll post the URL here, and I'll click submit. And then it will follow all the active users that have been on that profile. So the new way, however, or the new feature allows you to schedule this so you don't have to do it manually. So basically every week I would come in here, look at my follower counts, like my scheduled followers, and then once it gets low, I would do this process every week to build my scheduled follows back up. So now I don't have to do that, and it saves me so much time. Cool. So as you see, I got 201 users were added to my scheduled followers from doing it manually, copying this URL, posting it in right here. So now the new feature, automatic scheduling, does this for you. So let me switch this on. Basically, this is taking advantage of AI. Artist management has an backend AI that goes and scans all the profiles of artists who make music that are similar to you. And then they find the artists who are doing well on the platform and then search their active users and then schedules to follow those active users on those profiles. So it's pretty simple. You turn on automated scheduling, then the AI goes to work for you. It goes to work scanning other artists' profile with similar music to yours, and then follows them. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple. Now you don't have to come back in and do any of these manual follows anymore, or do any of the manual work anymore. And all you do is switch on automatic scheduling and it does that. So now I don't have to ever come back to this platform to do it, which is really dope. So now the last feature that I want to show you guys is follower count. Now this is really cool because now I get to see exactly how this tool has been helping me grow. And over the last 7 days, I went from 7,312 to 7,409. So almost 100 followers. In the last 30 days, I went from 6,960 to 7,409. So that's almost 500. So in 30 days, I almost grew 500. That's insane. So imagine doing this every single month, just letting the AI do its work. You don't have to touch anything. You're gonna automatically grow on SoundCloud. And again, all these people who follow you on SoundCloud, they're gonna check out your profile. They're gonna go listen to your music. They're gonna see all your links over here, and they're gonna follow you on all these other platforms. So one of the reasons why I'm experiencing such fast growth is because my profile is optimized. I have a good cover photo showing my face. I have a profile photo showing my face. I have all my links updated. I have my bio updated, and I only keep my own music on my page. So anytime someone lands on my page, they don't find a bunch of reposts from other artists. It's literally just my music. So as soon as someone lands on my page, they have everything they need to know about who I am as an artist. And as a result, I'm not only growing on SoundCloud, these people go over to my Instagram, find me on Instagram, message me on Instagram, share my music on Instagram. So I'm growing on all other platforms as well, just because of this one simple tool and because my profile is optimized. So if you have not optimized your profile yet, I have a bunch of videos on my channel showing you guys how to do that for SoundCloud specifically. So I hope you guys found value from this video. Again, this is a tool that I use all the time, and now that they have all these cool features, I don't even have to look at it anymore. I just let it run automatically. So if you found value from this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment. And if you're feeling really good about it, share this video with someone else, because it may help them move a lot further and faster down their path to success as an artist. There's gonna be 2 more videos that pop up right here that goes into another music marketing topic. Go and check those out because they're sure to bring you a lot of value just like this one.